Downsizing can be exciting, but it can also be stressful. That's why it's important that you know why you want to do the downsize. Would you like to live near Uptown Waterloo? Well, would you also like a unit that is big, clean, and convenient? I think I have one here for you at Waterpark Place. Let's come take a peek. So I have 4 points to hit on here for you. Big, clean, convenient, and uptown. Big, wide open hallways, clean as can be, very conveniently located. Big and clean front foyer with convenient laundry tucked away. Big, bright, clean, and convenient around this whole unit. Enjoy your view of Waterloo. It might not be updated, but you know how to do that. For now, it's as clean as can be with plenty of places to prep your favorite food. Welcome to your magnificent primary with walk-in closet and also your own convenient ensuite. Not only is it just an ensuite, but there's a separate walk-in shower tucked behind the door. Being this big, you have a lot of conveniences that you would actually hope for and expect, like a full dining room, plus also an extra bedroom with its own main bath. And yes, there's even a locker. It is pretty big, it is pretty clean, and it is pretty convenient, but I have a lot more to show you. Conveniences do not just end being close to Uptown Waterloo. Your condo fees do include pretty much a full gym membership, including this pool. Isn't it nice to have a pool that you don't have to clean and add, stuff to? And a sauna if you wanna sweat. And the unit inside is not the only thing that's clean. This whole building is meticulously maintained. So this right here could be your most convenient trip to the library. So you have friends in building number 6? Here's your breezeway, the easy way. Underground parking? Yes, that's convenient, but how about your spot straight across from the door? So there it is, building number 4, Waterpark Place, unit number 608. Big, clean, and sure as heck convenient. Watty, Chestnut Park.